Hey guys, and welcome to Milty's Wisdom Steps. And today I'm gonna be sharpening my machete. Since tomorrow I'm gonna go film about me going to our cave. So this is not gonna be a long video, but yeah. And today I'm gonna be using these gloves since you gotta have gloves because you don't want your hands sand. And I'm gonna be using this DeWalt sander. So the machete is quite dull. Because it's like, I'm not sure if you could see that, but it's quite round. So I thought it would be good to sharpen it. And in the future, I'm gonna replace the handle of the blade since the wood is starting to kind of peel off right there. So, and also I'm putting it up against this thing so that the machete won't move anywhere. And let's get to it. Well, actually, I have to come to this side since it has the guard right there. Alright. It needs a little bit more on this side. I still need to do a little bit more, but this is it so far. Still need to do a little bit more on this side, so I'm gonna flip it over and put it on. And even when I'm wearing these gloves, I can still tell that the tip of the blade is kind of hot. Alright, here we go. Oh, actually. Actually, in fact, I think I need to erase this a little bit more. Right about here. Now let's see. Need to flip it around. I can see the blade sharpening. That's nice. Now, I want to be a little bit careful because if it rubs up on the anvil, it would start to sand the anvil and kind of jerk. So I need to be a little bit careful of that. So. Ooh, the blade's getting a lot hot. This is the blade. Now I'm not sure if I need to sharpen it a little bit more, but I think it looks like it needs it. Now I want to make sure that the blades are even, so it's not more of an angle one way, except in another angle another way. Because if I did that, it'll look kind of wavy on the blade, and I don't really want that. I need to sharpen the blade, the tip of it. So I need to bring it all the way over here. Actually, maybe more of an angle like right. Some metal got in my mouth. That hurt. I wonder what happened to the blade. Why did it do that? I think I have to. little bit more than that, I think we'll be done. Just making sure that doesn't go anywhere, which I should have done. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was holding it. Alright, and I think I'm done with sharpening my machete. Here's the final result. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. The blade now looks new, but it won't stay looking that new for long, since when I'm going to be using it, it will start to get a little rusty. Alright. So, oh, I got a little part of that part. I'm gonna try it out. That's quite deep. That's a lot more deeper than the last time I tried to do that. Well, see y'all next time. Goodbye.